What advice would you give to the future generation of statistical programmers, and maybe what would you have done differently along your journey?
I think, the first advice I would say to people who wants to join pharma is not just a man in a white coat. Every time you have a brochure about any of a pharma company, they will show you a guy in a lab with a white coat. Well, there's a lot of people like me just, in front of a computer most of the day. So first, have in mind that you can join the pharma industry because it's all about data, whatever it's clinical, pharmacovigilance, data science, pure IT. There's a lot of opportunity if you have I would say, a data science degree. Consider pharma. And the second advice I would give for people who wants to, join that industry is be curious because, you cannot just be computer oriented. You need to be human oriented. You need to be biology oriented. You need to understand the disease area you will be working on. And then coming back to one of my previous points, get ready for some actions because yes, you might be working for 2 or 3 years on the same project and people might say, oh, it's a long time. Yeah, but actually there will be so much happening. So be ready, be versatile. Don't be afraid to ask questions, to connect with clinicians, pharmacology, statisticians, data managers. And one of the nice things of being a statistical programmer is you are in one of the function where you're going to touch on so many different, other areas. You'll be working, you'll need to understand the biology, therefore you'll need to talk to the medics, you'll need to understand the data, so you'll need to talk to the data managers, you'll need to understand what's going on the site or to follow the different path the patient can go through from the data point of view. You'll need to talk with clinical operation. But then you'll need to talk with IT. So it gives you that opportunity to work with so many functions. So yeah, get rid, I say, despite the appearances or the rumors, yeah, get ready for some action. So be versatile. And our industry also is changing. We're doing more and more R, we're doing Python, we're doing other languages. SAS is still there. But I think it's very interesting. And one of the things I often say to my folks, hey, when are we moving to data science? I always answer, we've been doing data science for more than 20 years. So, but it's just we call it differently.
Yeah, exactly.